for your next week on this thing. Okay. Thank you. Great. So now we have got Bhanvi this time. So hi Bhanvi.
Hello, sir.
Hi. So Bhanvi recently joined our program, and Bhanvi is probably Bhanvi. Which year of college are you in?
Sir, I am in third year, BTech.
Third year.
Yes, sir.
So Bhanvi, how you heard about the fellowship program?
Sir, I came across. I was following you and Preksha ma'am since a long time on LinkedIn, but I never came to know about the fellowship program until and unless I saw a post from one of the fellow, and then I felt so intimidated. Like if a person is doing such nice visualizations, and through Excel I read it in his post, and just by using Excel, which I used to think is of no use for a person like me, because we people are like directly involved in tech, and we work on machine learning models, and we play with data basically, not because it is just in our curriculum, but yeah, we never thought of data in a manner like we should. It was just a matter of fact that I came across that post and I was very excited. So I went through your online website, and then I applied for the fellowship from there, and and like the first week has been so amazing, and the whole dashboard is not just one day story or a 4 hour story. For me it has been the whole week. Like I had interactions with all my fellows throughout the beginning of the week, and from day one, from Monday itself, I was involved in making out the data story, like having mentoring sessions from you and Gaurav sir, which is our mentor, and then like thinking on the data set for longer periods of time. Like it was not just like a few hours of work for me; it was the whole week of story for me that I lived with the data for the whole week, and then thought what I wanted from it, and then took my whiteboard and marker and actually made out all the columns for what were the fields I was given, and what I as a superstore manager would want from the whole data set which I have, how I can increase my profit, and like it was a week of story for me.
Excellent. Very, very good. Very, very good. So, Preksha, this is how Bhanvi's board looks like.
He spoke like a true geek. So
Thank you,
involved in
ma'am.
the entire process. It seems like my spirit animal, like being involved since the beginning and understanding at each point how it can get better. And I can see that right now.
Correct. So, one thing, probably I would like to understand from Bhanvi. So, there are a lot of people who have applied, right, in the program, and they are looking out for that. How much time does it take, and how to apply for fellowship, right? So, how you got to know about us, Bhanvi? How was your what was your hack to get in fellowship?
Sir, so to get into the
How you
fellowship,
got?
yeah. So to get into the fellowship, we first need to fill a form, and then we are redirected to a mail which says like we need to prepare a short introductory video of like a few minutes, maybe two or three, and then send it. Like it can be a very informal video wherein we can send the video through recorded with a camera and send it to the WhatsApp group, wherein it would be analyzed. And so I just made the video for it. Like I rehearsed for it, and then I shot the video. I even put it on YouTube and made a playlist on YouTube specifically for my Alpha AI fellowship, and it has two introduction videos in it. And then when you get the message, you will have.
I was with everything.
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, like
Thank you, ma'am.
Preksha, your voice is doubling up probably.
Okay, is it better?
Yeah.
Okay, I was saying that you're so
Are
thorough
you
with what you
hearing
have
there is
and
some other
follow it.
device?
No, there is nothing else. I don't know why it's happening. Internet hates me, I think.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, thank you, Bhanvi, for your time. We are looking for more better stuff from you. Okay, see you soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the fellowship.
Great. So I think we have got more people now. So we are going to just take more quickly.